It's looking better. Looking better. It's running good. Got an alternator on it now, so it actually stay running. New coil, you know, those kind of things. Plug wires, the Chevy cap&rotor. Yeah. So, need a mechanical fuel pump. I got an electric one wired up to the switch right there. Put me a shifter knob on there. But it's getting better. See if we can get the hood back open here. Put some little reinforcement here on the, see that? Is it too dark? I don't know. Just welded a piece of angle iron right there. I didn't weld it, just screwed it on. Might do better if I weld it. But just to keep the hood from folding in half. Needs a new hood, but now to actually shut like it's supposed to. But the sucker runs good. I just drove it about 10 miles, just pulled back up. Fun stuff. Just a little bit at a time. Good stuff.